What's broken on my boat today? Today I am fixing my Tohatsu outboard. I believe I have a bad starter relay because I can bridge it and starter will kick on for me. It is under warranty, but I'm not able to drop off my unit and get it taken care of. So I went, the Tohatsu dealer didn't have the relay in stock. The local Mercury dealer did, and was able to pick up a part, and I'm going to put that in. I've got a spare on order from Amazon, because if one failed, another one will, and it's good to have another one in case I am way off grid. I will bring you guys along the journey. Switch sides up on you. I just flipped over to the back side of the engine, and I'm looking at the hour meter that I added when I was back in Myrtle Beach, and that was just a little $5 hour meter and tachometer that goes on a cord that wraps around the one of the spark plug wires. And we've put 71.7 hours on the engine since I last serviced it. So I know when I need to do my oil change and lower gear service and everything like that. I'm excited about it. The relay in question is right here. Clips in. It's real easy to kind of pop off and replace. I'm going to unbolt this and we'll go from there. And just like that, we're fixed. Battery's still a little low. I need to get a good charge on it, but the new relay did the trick. Until next time, pick up after yourselves, knuckle down and figure things out for yourselves. Don't be reliant on other people. I could have been stuck at a Tohatsu dealer for weeks, or paid a mechanic to do something with a $30 relay from the dealer, and I've got my spares coming to me for $15. So for 45 bucks, that was way less than 1 hour of diagnosis and shop time. And I can sign this one off and leave town and know that the dinghy motor's working right for everybody. Talk to you later.